From the Hebrew Challenge, this is number 5 of 12, Ajan. This 1846 map of Africa shows Ajan. Ajan is a biblical city called Ayin. In the English Bible, Ayin is written as Ayin. The story of Ayin can be found in Numbers 34:11, where it says, "And the coast shall go down from Shepham to Riblah on the east side of Ayin." If Ayin is Ayin, why is the city called Ajan? This biblical city wasn't always spelled Ajan. The English letter J did not exist until around the year 1632. This can be proven on the 1628 map of Africa, where it shows Ayin. Ayin became known as Ajan. The letter I in Ayin is stylized. This can be easily proven by observation. On the same 1628 map is the word Negrita. If you don't believe me, try pronouncing this word Njgrjta. The I in Negrita is also stylized, as in Ayin. The I in Ayin can be further proven. The 1690 map of Africa shows Ayin spelt with a regular I. Thus, Ayin is Ajan. Ayin is a Latin form of the Hebrew name Ayin. Therefore, Ayin, Ayin, and Ajan are all variations of the same name. For example, the Hebrew name Ayin is spelled with a Y. The Italian spells it with an I in Ayin, and the English spells it with a J in Ajan. According to the Strong's Concordance, Ayin is one of the southernmost cities of Judah. This 1865 map of Africa should prove that Ajan is the biblical city Ayin. If Ajan is Ayin, then Judah should be north. This is Bayud. Bayud is Bayuda, which is Judah. This 1911 map of Africa proves that Bayud is Bayuda. Bayuda is Ba-Judah. This can be proven on this 1874 map of Africa, which shows Ba-Judah. Ba-Judah is Judah. The Ba in Ba-Judah is Hebrew for father. Thus, Ba-Judah means Father Judah. And Ajan is Ayin, a biblical city south of Judah. and these are the people that lived there. So, what did we learn? English is not the only translation of the Hebrew Bible. The English letter J is less than 400 years old. The Hebrew letter Y has been disrespectably replaced by the Europeans' letters I and J. Ayin is the Hebrew name Ayin, Ayana, and Ajan. The biblical city Ayin is in Africa.
The mission, to see if you've taken time to listen. Then the definition, to give sight to a rib that's missing, so that we can complete the mission.